Artificial intelligence in education and transformative future. In recent decades, artificial intelligence has rapidly evolved, transforming multiple sectors, including education. AI has the potential to revolutionize learning, from curriculum design to the personal experience of each student. This change is not just a trend but necessity to respond to the demands of an increasingly technological and globalized society. In the classroom, AI in the classroom. One of the main benefits of AI in education is its ability to personalize learning. While traditional tools, educators face the challenge of adapting to the different learning pace of each student. However, AI allows for the design of individual education experience tailored to the progress and need of each learning. For example, online learning platform can analyze how each student approaches a problem and adjust content of to other specific reinforcement where needed. Additionally, AI facilitates real-time feedback. Intelligent system can correct and provide suggestions instantly, allowing students to improve rapidly in specific areas instead of waiting for a teacher's correction or review. The student can learn from their mistake and understand concepts as they progress in their study. AI as a super tool for teachers. Another significant impact of AI in education is the support of others to teachers. Thanks to advanced systems, teachers can reduce the time spent on administrative tasks and grading, allowing them to focus on more creative and personalized aspects of teaching. For example, AI systems can help create exam analysis results and suggest strategies for students with difficulties. Moreover, AI allows for better management of educational information. Teachers can use AI algorithms to analyze the student performance and gain the clear view of their progress. This in-depth analysis enables educators to identify trends and patterns, facilitating the creation of more effective teaching strategies. Adaptive learning and gamification. One of the most innovative fields of AI in education is adaptive learning, which adjusts content based to each student's skills. Platform using this type of AI access the student responses and adjust the difficult and time of content in real time. For example, if a student shows exceptional skills mathematics, the system can increase the difficult level to maintain challenge and interest, thus promoting continuous growth. Similarly, gamification, which includes game elements such as point level and rewards, has been integrated into AI-based learning platform. This element increases student motivation and makes the learning process more interactive and enjoyable. This combination of adaptive learning and gamification has proven highly effective, especially for younger students who respond well to dynamic approaches, ethical challenge, and data privacy. Despite the numerous advantages of AI in education, there are also important ethical concerns. The massive collection of student data raises questions about privacy and the proper handling of personal information. Educational institutions and technology developers must ensure data security and adhere to strict privacy regulation. Furthermore, using AI in education raises the question of fairness. AI algorithms can reduce biases that already exist in data, potentially resulting in injuries or unfair treatment towards certain students. Addressing these uses requires an ethical approach in the development and use of AI in schools and universities. The future of artificial intelligence in education. The future of AI in education seems promising and ever evolving. Over time, we are likely to see even more advanced AI systems capable of better understanding student emotion and motivation. This development could enable truly personalized education where each student receives support and guidance needed to reach their full potential. AI does not aim to replace human educators, but to complement them by reducing the administrative workload and offering support in personal teaching. Teachers can spend more time inspiring and guiding their students in areas where human intervention is essential. Question and answer. 1. What are some key benefits of AI education? AI enables personalized learning adjusted to each student's needs. It provides real-time feedback and reduces teachers' administrative workload, allowing them to focus on teaching. Additionally, AI facilitates data analysis, helping teach creating more effective strategies. 2. How does AI contribute to adaptive learning? AI analyzes each student's responses and performance in real time, adjusting difficult and content type accordingly. This approach allows advanced students to face challenge, while those needing reinforcement receive the necessary support, making learning more dynamic. 3. What ethical challenge does AI pose in education? Collecting student data raises privacy concerns. It's essential for developers and educational institutions to ensure data security. Additionally, AI can reproduce biases present in data, which could lead to prejudice. 4. How does AI support teachers in the classroom? AI can assist teachers in creating exams and analyzing the student performance, allowing for personalized strategies. It also reduces the burden of administrative tasks, enabling teachers to concentrate on teaching and providing personalized attention to students. 5. How is AI expected to evolve in education in the future? Future AI systems are likely to interpret emotion and motivation, making education even more personalized. This will enable each student to revise learning tailored to their needs while always complementing human educator intervention.